equals does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a multimeter, and some isopropyl alcohol for cleaning. Start by powering off the HP TG01 1107 nanoseconds and disconnecting it from any power source. This is crucial for your safety and to prevent any further damage. Next, remove the screws from the back panel using the Phillips screwdriver. Keep these screws in a safe place, as you will need them later. Once the screws are out, gently pry open the back panel with the flathead screwdriver. Be cautious not to damage any clips or connectors. With the back panel removed, you will have access to the internal components. Take a moment to visually inspect the motherboard and the KBC, keyboard controller. Look for any signs of physical damage, such as burnt components or loose connections. If you notice any debris or dust, use a can of compressed air to clean the area thoroughly. Now, let's focus on the KBC. Using the multimeter, check for continuity on the KBC pins. If you find any discrepancies, it may indicate that the KBC is indeed damaged. If you reckon this is too hard, remember we offer professional diagnosis without obligation, which can save you time and effort. If you determine that the KBC is faulty, you will need to replace it. Carefully desolder the damaged KBC from the motherboard. This requires precision, so take your time. Once removed, clean the area with isopropyl alcohol to prepare for the new component. Next, solder the new KBC onto the motherboard. Ensure that all connections are secure and that there are no solder bridges. After soldering, double-check your work before reassembling the device. Before putting the back panel on, it's a good idea to test the device. Reconnect the power and turn it on. If everything is functioning correctly, proceed to reattach the back panel. Remember to replace all screws securely. If you encounter any issues during this process or prefer not to tackle it yourself, we offer pickup and delivery at your home, making it convenient for you. Plus, you can receive a quote before repair, ensuring you know the costs upfront. Finally, once the device is reassembled, power it on again to ensure everything is working as expected. If you have followed these steps carefully, your HP TG01 1107 nanoseconds should be back in action. If problems persist, don't hesitate to reach out for professional assistance. No calls, no travel, we make it easy for you. Does your device need fixing? We offer a free diagnosis. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls or travel needed. We send you a quote before repairing, and only go ahead if you approve it. Easy, transparent, and professional. Link in description.